How to solve 49 power x minus 42 power x is equal to 36 power x. What is the value of x? So at first we divided by 36 power x in both sides. So divided by 36 power x divided by 36 power x divided by 36 power x. Now this will be cancelled. Now from here x same power but different base. So according to this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this formula we can write here 49 over 36, then bracket common power x minus again x same power but different base. So according to this formula we can write here 42 over 36, then bracket common power x is equal to here on, so on divided by 1, that means it will be on. Now 49 over 36 can be written as 7 over 6, then bracket power of 2. 7 square is same as 49 over 6 square is same as 36. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x minus 42 is same as 6 times 7 over 36 is same as 6 times 6, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now we see this 6 will be cancelled. Now here you can apply rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule we can write here 7 over 6, then bracket power of x, then second bracket power of 2 minus 7 over 6, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now we see 7 by 6 bracket power x, 7 by 6 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 7 over 6 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square minus y then is equal to 1. Now we can write here y square minus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply quadratic formula, so I can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to negative 1, after that c will be equal to negative 1. So y y will be equal to minus b, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now we can write here y is equal to minus times negative 1, that means positive 1, then plus or minus a square root of negative 1 bracket square, that means it will be positive 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2, or y is equal to 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2. But remember that y, that means it will be 7 over 6 bracket power x. So y, that means 7 over 6 bracket power x, then is equal to 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2, or y, that means 7 over 6 bracket power x is equal to 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now attention here, 7 over 6 bracket power any number is always positive, but 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides, so you can write here log of 7 over 6 bracket power x is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 7 over 6 is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log of 7 by 6 in both sides, so divided by log of 7 by 6 divided by log of 7 by 6. So this will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be log of 1 plus a square root of 5 over 2, then base of 7 by 6. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 20 plus 4 to the power 20 is equal to what? At first I take common 4 to the power 20, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 20 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 20 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 20, that means 40 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 40 plus 1, that means 41. So 2 to the power 41 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.